Hi students, in this session we can understand the concept of isotopes, isobars, isotones and isosters, isoelectronic and isodiaphers. What are isotopes? What are isotopes? Here isotopes having these properties are there. In isotopes, the elements having same atomic number and same number of protons, same number of electrons, same electronic configuration, same chemical properties are there and the same position in the periodic table. That means in isotopes, what are isotopes? In isotopes containing the elements which having same atomic number. That means it having same atomic number means containing one element. It containing only one element. In isotopes having same atomic number is that means it containing one element and same number of protons is there and same number of electrons are there and it having one element having only same electronic configuration and the same chemical properties are there but physical properties are different. Physical properties are different and the only taking in isotopes only one element is there, so it having position of the periodic table also same position in the periodic table. What are differences in isotopes? It having different mass number. Isotopes having same atomic number but different mass number is called isotopes and difference in number of neutrons are there and it having same chemical properties are there but physical properties are different. These are called isotopes. In isotopes same atomic number but different mass number. It has same number of protons, electrons but neutrons are different. It has same electronic configuration and same chemical properties are there but physical properties are different and the position the elements arranged in the position in the same periodic table. That is called isotopes. For example, we taking hydrogen isotope, that is 1H1, 1H2, 1H3. This is the hydrogen isotope. So same atom, atomic number is 1. In three elements having atomic number 1 and number of electrons and protons are 1. So number of electrons or protons are same. Electronic configuration also same. So but what is difference? What is difference? Neutrons are different. Neutrons are different. In 1H1 mass number is 1 minus 1. So how many neutrons are there? 1H1 0 neutrons are present. In 1H2 mass number 2 minus atomic number 1 is there. So 1H2 having 1 neutron is there. In 1H3 mass number 3 minus atomic number 1 A minus Z. Biology formula is A minus Z. 3 minus 1 equal to 3 neutrons are there in 1H3. In 1H1, 1H2, 1H3 0, 1, 2 are came. So the neutrons are 0, 1, 2. There is no same. Different number of neutrons are there are called as isotopes. What are they are? Same atomic number but different mass number. Electrons are same, protons are same but neutrons are different. Electronic configuration is same and same atom, so the position in the periodic table is same. That is called isotopes. In the second one we discuss the second one, isobars. In isobars, isotopes have different atomic number different mass number. In isobars, isotones are opposite to isobars. What is their same mass number but different atomic number? Same mass number but different atomic number. The number of nucleons are same. What are nucleons? What are nucleons? In atomic nucleus containing positive charge, the protons and neutrons are in there and electrons are revolved in their certain path. In between the proton and neutrons are nucleons. Proton and neutrons are nucleons. So same number of nucleons are there and different atomic is there. Number of protons, electrons and neutrons are different. Different electronic configuration is, why different electronic configuration? Different atomic number. Different atomic number means different atoms. Different atoms means different electronic configuration. Different chemical properties are there in isobars. So the different atoms will be arranged in the position of the periodic table is different. Consider two examples like this. Argon 1840, potassium 1940 and calcium 2040. And the second example, tellurium, xenon, barium. Tellurium 52 130, xenon 54 130, barium 56 130. We observe atomic number is those two sets having different, but mass number is same. What? Atomic number is different but mass number is same. In isotones having atomic number is same, mass number is different. In isobars, atomic number is different and mass number is same. That is called isobars. In setting, same mass number but different atomic number, so atoms are different. Atoms are different, its electronic configuration also different. What is this? Number of protons in argon. Number of protons in argon are 18 and neutrons are 18. And number of electrons are mass number minus atomic number, 22 electrons are kept. But in potassium, number of protons are 90, number of neutrons are 19. So these two are protons and neutrons are same, but electrons are different. In calcium, 20 minus 40 minus 20 equal to 20 electrons are came. In protons 20, neutrons 20. So same number of nucleons are there. Nucleons means number of protons and neutrons are called as nucleons. This is the isobars. And the third one is isotones. What are isotones? Same number of neutrons. The elements having same number of neutrons are called as isotones. What are isotones? Are the elements having same number of neutrons are called as isotones. In isotones containing different atoms. What? In isotones containing different atoms, so its atomic number is different. In isotones, different atoms are there, so its atomic number is different. That's why electronic configuration also different. And it having different mass number, so protons, neutrons are different. And the chemical properties are different. So different atoms, the position of the periodic table also different. These are called as isotones. Isotones are the elements having same number of neutrons are called as neutrons. This is the isotones definition. In isotones, different atoms are there. Isobars having different atoms, but only isotopes having same atoms. Okay, understood? In isotones, different atoms, so different atomic number is different, and the electron configuration also different. Different mass number, so it having different protons and neutrons. So different atoms having different chemical properties are there. And the different atoms, these are arranged in the position of the periodic table is different. These are called isotones. For example, in silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, and second set is potassium, calcium. What are the isotones theme? Same number of neutrons are called as isotones. Okay. So it having different atoms. Silicon, phosphorus, sulfur. So silicon, phosphorus, sulfur having different chemical properties are there. And different atomic number is there. Silicon having 14 atomic number, phosphorus 15, and sulfur is the 16 atomic number. So in silicon, phosphorus, sulfur having different electronic configuration. Silicon, phosphorus, sulfur having different electronic configuration. So these are arranged in the position also different. And the position of the periodic table also different. Mass number also different. See this, atomic number is different, mass number also different. In set 2, atomic number is different, but mass number is also different. But only one theme is in isotones is same number of neutrons. Same number of neutrons are called isotones. We are calculating the number of protons, electrons and neutrons. In silicon 14, 15. The number of electrons are 14, number of protons are 14, but number of neutrons equal to 30 minus 14 equal to 16 will come. And number of protons and electrons are phosphorus is 15, 15. Neutrons are 31 minus 15 equal to 16. Oh, silicon, phosphorus and phosphorus having 16, 16. Same number of neutrons, okay. And third one, sulfur. Sulfur having same number of electrons, 16. Same number of protons, 16. So number of neutrons in sulfur, 32 minus 16 equal to 16. So same number of neutrons are called isotones. So these are isotones. This is the isotopes, isobars, isotones. Okay students, thank you.